I'm Rebecca Brand.
Simba manufactures promotional items and awards for companies.
They don't sell online. They're not a trophy company. They work through distributors. Simba makes any kind of award you could possibly imagine. From heavyweight championship belts that I just had to try on. It was a little big for me, I must say, but it was fun to imagine myself a heavyweight champion for those moments. They even mass-produce plaques. They might have an order for 50,000 of these. And the day I visited them, they were making all kinds of plaques. And Simba even makes those championship rings. And wouldn't it be great for your team to get one of these as a recognition of their great season? Simba is a great partner with distributors to design and produce great medals, coins, belts, and chains, and many more. All kinds of awards for your team. Maybe you want a hoop loop for your best basketball player. Check this out. Is this amazing? It's gold with the emblem in the center. And what fun at an awards ceremony to honor someone with their hoop loop necklace. Well, as for me, I prefer the award for a chili cook-off. First place. That fits me in my cooking channel for sure. Simba can use all kinds of metals and materials depending on the outcome you want. And the ones that are golden color are made out of brass. And metal is nice because it looks great. It feels really substantial. And it's a traditional award. And it's relatively inexpensive. Simba carries tons of stock designs that can be sold as is or have an imprint area which you can put your custom label. You can have your custom art, or Simba's design team can design it for you on most orders for free. Simba's got their manufacturing down to a science. Here I am in the factory putting on a metal design while my tour guide is putting on an acrylic award. Acrylic's another material they use a lot because it can be custom produced in-house and allow for a great looking award. And Simba will also design a custom lanyard or ribbon for your medal. You can use these promotional items at events and award ceremonies. And how about this? Let's say you're on a tennis team and a pickleball team. This medal will go for both. I think this is my favorite. And also simple coins and government teams. What a way to recognize your star player, no matter what kind of team you have. I was lucky enough to get invited for a tour at the Simba factory close to me in California. They have 2 production and warehouse facilities. They serve the entire USA, Canada, and Mexico. I toured the location in California. They also have one in North Carolina. These 2 locations ensure that transit times are minimized. The production and warehouse facilities are huge. The CEO of the company is Fred, and he gave me the tour with other people that assist him. These are their manufacturing machines. They use state-of-the-art, large format flatbeds. This one is Mimaki, and it is cranking out their products in such a high quality way. There's also roll-to-roll roll-in printers. Those create a Simba proprietary texture, tone, and Vibaprint Express products. It was fascinating to see the manufacturing of all of this. I had no idea how these things would ever be created, so it was an interesting tour to say the least. They create custom shapes using universal lasers and Apex large format flatbed cutters. The combination of the printing and formatting allows Simba to respond to a multitude of all kinds of customers' requests to produce extremely high-resolution graphics-based products. Now, all of these pink plaques were going to, I think, a cheerleader contest in Vegas. They were making 50,000 of these, and they typically only take 3 to 7 days to fulfill these orders, depending on the type and the quantity. And check out these designs. Simba has a full suite of design tools, and that allows their team of in-house artists to provide rapid responses so that you can get a virtual proof to see what your design is going to look like. Simba has over 4,000 customers throughout the USA because of their state-of-the-art manufacturing and their team that puts it together for you on both coasts. So if you click the link below to get your quote, they have a free setup and free shipping over orders of only $150 or above. Wow, That is such a low shipping rate and setup fee. And for questions and orders, they have customer service professionals at the ready. Because not everybody watching this video will be an artist and will know what kind of design to do. You might want to talk to someone about what your concept is toward your team member at your company or your sports star. As I walked around the factory, I saw thousands and thousands of kinds of samples. I couldn't even believe how much they had. There were so many different types that people had thought of and created. The warehouse had stacks and stacks of things already in stock to fulfill the orders fast. And here's a box of samples I just kind of digging through. But I really had an eye. I was really impressed with the rings. Look at this whole lineup of rings they've created for all kinds of teams and companies, including this really big, heavy ring. That was kind of fun. That would make a great paperweight, I thought. So don't be daunted by all these choices. Just click the link below and contact Simba for your next promotion, trade show, corporate event, or anything you want to have, something that represents you and your company to your team members, winners, corporate employees, trade shows. Oh, the list goes on and on. I'm Rebecca Brand. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great recipes in life. And today the recipe is going for the gold with the award. I think I'm inspired now to make my famous chili recipe once again. See you next time. If you like this video, here's some more on other corporate things and also a chili recipe right there.